was fascination, I know, and it might have ended right then at the start.
Only you can make this world seem right. Only you.
That's that lemon pepper thing. I'm a 10-piece baby. Bedroom fully in a bando. He gon' make it flip, do it with no handles. Never switching sides, only switching angles. Ooh, we go crazy like Rambo. What it is, ho, what's up? Every good girl needs a little love. Every black boy needs a little love. If you put it down, I'ma pick it up, up, up. What it is, ho, what's up? Every good girl needs a little love. Every black boy needs a little love. If you put it down, I'ma pick it up, up, up. Hit him up, in the truck, got it tucked, he gave it up, pocket stuck all night, I like, you ain't gotta say it when you know it's on side, bedroom fully in a bando, he gon' make it flip, do it with no handles, never switching sides, only switching angles, ooh, we go crazy like Rambo, what it is, ho, what's up, every good girl needs a little love, every black boy needs a little love, if you put it down, I'ma pick it up, 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 what it is, ho, what's up, every good girl needs a little love. Every black boy needs a little love. If you put it down, I'ma pick it up.
Enjoy life, bro. Go outside, get sunlight, fresh air, and stay pure. It's beautiful, bro. You gotta cherish life, because it can all be gone in a second. You can't take this kind of stuff for granted.
We really don't give ourselves enough credit. We work so hard to get to where we are, only to feel like we're not there yet. This is a vicious cycle that can make you chase the next moment instead of embracing how far you've come. Take credit for trying. Take credit for your progress. The little things matter. We always think that success means the final result, or a sudden leap from where you are to where you want to be. The baby steps, the small accomplishments, and the days when you want to give up can be difficult, but the fact that you try a little harder is what counts. This is a sign for you, a sign to not give up on yourself and a sign of hope. Give yourself credit. You are trying, and you are a work in progress.
My life is like a Christopher Nolan movie. I don't really understand what's going on. I'd say don't try to understand it, just feel it.